promotion for today?
So we have buy 2 pizzas for only 600 pesos.
Wow.
So we choose from ham and cheese, and Hawaiian. So let's try it. Specialty pizza. So let's talk about the dough. This is the owner's recipe and it is made from Italian bread. So the ham is a family recipe for 12 years. And it also comes with egg, milk syrup, and onion. And now, what has arrived is the Milktea, which is my favorite.
Okay.
So here are the flavors that we got. And I ordered chocolate banana with coffee jelly and nata inside. Pizza. How did the pizza come about?
So, dapat nag-start lang kami na milk tea lang muna siya.
Okay.
Tapos, sobrang dami namin competitors na syempre lahat ng tao ngayon nag-milk tea sila. So, nag-isip kami ano yung pwede namin i-partner sa milk tea namin na pwedeng parang maging edge namin para sa amin sila pumunta. So, nag-try kami ng pizza, ng chicken wings, and fortunately, nag-click naman siya. So, ayan. Naging siya Milktea and Pizza House.
So Tita, I heard that you have a promo. Is it for dine-in or take-out?
So our promos are buy 2 pizza, get it for 600 pesos. You can choose from ham and cheese, Hawaiian, or cheese pizza. Then forever buy 2 take 1 kami sa lahat ng milk tea namin. Okay, so we have unlimited wings na available lang siya for dine-in. We have 11 flavors na pwede nilang pagpilihan.
Yay! I can't wait to eat! Try it now. I really like the syrup.
That's the secret, ingredient.
Secret, of course.
This is paired perfectly with milk tea. So this is the honey sriracha and the garlic barbecue.
So let's start with the honey sriracha. So, cheers!
This is the garlic barbecue.
Try it. Gusto ko dito. They're both really good.
Yeah.
This is kind of sweet, and this is a little bit savory. This one. What are you waiting, guys? Order na. Hello, guys.
So guys, what are you waiting for? Come order now. So it's open for dine-in every Wednesday to Friday to 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Or you can also order online through PANDAN or Milktea or Milktea. Bye!
ate.